Creatives, in this week's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to take an old Apple Watch and turn it into a new hand sanitizer bracelet or watch. Let's get started. Remove the bands from the watch. These are plastic containers found at Michael Arts and Crafts store. These are felt pads found at the Dollar Tree. Peel sticker from the felt pad, then stick it to the back of the container. Using E6000 glue, glue the bands to the back of the felt pad. You could also use epoxy glue. Allow the bands to fully dry before wearing. I waited 24 hours before I wore mine. Now glue another felt pad to the back of the bands, and you're done. Thank you for watching, guys. If you would like to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, Just Being Creative. Bye-bye.